Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you've probably already read the title. Yes, all 5 of these methods are real and very easy for beginners. So today I'm going to show you 5 ways to monetize your AI music generation by using MusicGPT to generate that music. Ladies and gentlemen, 5 ways to monetize your AI music, and this is a beginner's guide. I'm using MusicGPT because MusicGPT is really easy to use. We actually got a video on our channel. You can go ahead and check it out to see how to use it and in actual fact how easy it is to use. So the number 1 way is to upload your AI music to streaming platforms. This is like Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and DistroKids, TuneCore, and you can publish all of these songs and you can earn passive income. You can generate income every time your track is streamed. Artists like Trippy, Red have actually successfully used AI beats commercially, providing a viability of this approach. The next method is to build a YouTube and social media channel with AI music. So you can create focused channels around lo-fi beats or study music, anime themes, meditation sounds, or gaming backgrounds to attract dedicated audiences. Also, you can monetize through YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and successful creators actually report earning $3 to $5 grand a month by maintaining consistent upload schedules, leveraging low-cost ads and trending hashtags to boost visibility. Most channels actually see significant growth within 3 to 4 months of consistent posting. The next thing over here is to produce professional AI-generated music across various genres and moods to build a diverse catalog. This means you get to license your AI music for commercial use. You can also sell your tracks on platforms like Pond5, Audio Jungle, and Artlist, where businesses actively search for royalty-free music. Also, you can target content creators, podcasters, advertisers, and brands who need custom sounds. Also, you retain 100% ownership while building repeat businesses. Number 4, offering AI music as a service. So here you get to provide custom creation services. You can launch your freelance business on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or you can even reach out directly to individual YouTubers, influencers, and small businesses who need original music. You can upsell premium features like unlimited revisions, faster delivery, exclusive rights to maximize your earnings per actual project. The last thing over here is to create a subscription model. Here you can launch subscription tiers on platforms like Patreon or your own website even. You can offer unlimited access to your AI music library for $10 to $30 a month, providing consistent recurring revenue. Also, you can create unique audio-visual experiences for the digital art and NFT communities. You can package AI-generated soundscapes with visual elements to tap into emerging Web3 markets as well. Let us know which method you think you are going to try out. We'll see you in the next video.